What if I told you that professional cleaners have been keeping the ultimate bathtub cleaning secret from you because it's so effective that you'd never hire them again? What if there's a method so powerful that it removes years of soap scum, hard water stains, and grime in just 10 minutes without any scrubbing? I discovered this technique by accident, and when I tried it on my disgusting bathtub, the transformation left me absolutely speechless. Keep reading because this will change bathtub cleaning forever. The impossible task we all dread. Let's talk about one of the most exhausting cleaning tasks that exists. Bathtub cleaning. You know exactly what I'm talking about. That yellow-brown ring around the waterline. The soap scum that's built up so thick it looks like a permanent layer. The hard water stains on the faucets that no amount of scrubbing removes. You've tried everything: expensive bathroom cleaners, abrasive scrubbers that hurt your hands, hours of intense scrubbing that leave you exhausted with minimal results. And you start thinking maybe your bathtub is just permanently stained. Maybe this is as clean as it'll ever get. I felt this exact frustration. My bathtub had become genuinely embarrassing. I'd scrubbed it with 5 different products. Nothing worked. The soap scum was so thick that it felt textured. The stains seemed to have bonded with the bathtub surface. I was seriously considering calling professional cleaners, but the quotes I received were outrageous. $150 just to clean one bathtub, I thought. There has to be a better way. So I started researching what professionals actually use, and what I discovered shocked me. They use the simplest combination imaginable, but they apply it in a specific way that multiplies its effectiveness. The secret method revealed. Here's the ultimate bathtub cleaning secret. Dish soap and white vinegar in a specific ratio. Applied warm, left to penetrate. Not just mixed together, prepared in a precise way. Heat 1 cup of white vinegar in the microwave until it's very warm, almost hot. Pour it into a spray bottle. Add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Swirl gently to combine without creating excessive bubbles. The warmth is critical because it activates the cleaning power exponentially. Now, here's the technique that changes everything. Spray your entire bathtub generously with this warm solution. Every surface, the tub basin, the walls, the faucets, and the drain area. Don't skimp. You want complete coverage. Then here's the crucial step that nobody tells you. Leave it. Walk away, let it sit for a minimum of 30 minutes. This waiting period is where the magic happens. The warm vinegar breaks down mineral deposits. The dish soap dissolves the oils in soap scum. Together they penetrate years of buildup, essentially pre-cleaning everything before you even touch it. The transformation that shocked me. But I didn't stop there. I wanted to test this on the absolute worst case scenario. I found a bathtub at a friend's rental property that hadn't been properly cleaned in over a year. It was horrifying. Brown stains, thick soap scum, calcified hard water deposits. I told my friend I'd try a cleaning method. She laughed and said professionals had quoted her $200. I applied my warm vinegar and dish soap solution, left it for 45 minutes because the buildup was so severe, and then started wiping. Why this works so well? Here's the science. Soap scum is a combination of body oils, soap residue, and hard water minerals. Most cleaners attack only one component, which is why they fail. This vinegar and dish soap combination attacks all 3 simultaneously. The acetic acid in vinegar dissolves minerals. The surfactants in dish soap break down oils. The warmth increases molecular activity, making both ingredients work faster and more effectively. And the waiting period gives them time to penetrate instead of just sitting on the surface. And that's the ultimate bathtub cleaning secret. Warm vinegar and dish soap. Generous application, 30-minute wait, and effortless wiping. If this just saved you from hiring expensive cleaners, smash that like button right now. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more professional secrets revealed. Share this with anyone struggling with a dirty bathtub. Comment if you're trying this today. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay smart, clean effortlessly, and enjoy your sparkling bathtub.